Look, I know tonight is our first collaboration and fame can take a lot of getting used to. The trick is, don't let it go to your head. I remember my first show.
Okay, we're about 5 minutes out. My word. I can't believe you're actually here. A true living legend. I brought you some water. Thought you might be thirsty. Robbie Williams.
Yeah?
You good?
Yeah, amazing. It's great to be a cat.
Remember, Robbie, we're live streaming this recording, so no retakes. Just keep going.
Okay, right. Listen, just be yourself and everything will be all right.
Felix presents It's Great to Be a Cat by Robbie Williams.
The life of a cat is so lovely. Whatever I do, you still love me. And each day Felix appears, I'm certain that it's great to be a cat. I know how to hide so you can't see me. I'm the world's best at landing on my feet. Guess we all better face up to the fact I'm an adorably cute kind of cat. Felix, even though I pretend to ignore you, I can't wait for the moment you call me. Just give me Felix and you. I'm certain that it's great to be a cat.
And cut.
Well, that was great. You definitely were part of that. Let's go meet the press. Follow me.
It's him! It's him! It's Felix!
Mr. Williams, please, just one question. Can you...
Introduce you to Felix. It's great to be a cat.
For more fun, visit felixandrobbie.com.